Tired of unorganized clutter? Always trying to find something and you just can't find it? It's time for a transformation, and I've got the perfect garage storage hack for it. So if you want to find out more, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. Let's get into the video. So I'm always looking for something in the garage, right? And I'm normally struggling to find it. Whether it's one of my straps from my endless collection of jet skis, always struggling to find the right strap. Apart from one of the endless boxes of parts that I have, or a cleaning product, you get the idea. I'm wasting time, guys. Valuable time whilst I could be out on the water on these. So, enter these. Believe it or not, we found these whilst we were walking around Ikea. They're actually shoe storage. Well, not today, they're not. We actually picked these up for £25 for the pair, and I can hear you all screaming now, yeah, Joe, they're just shoe boxes. Well, the way that I'm gonna use them is gonna transform them. So when space is at a premium, you really don't want to use any of your available floor space, where you could be putting another jet ski, for storage, because storage is not particularly exciting. So what I like about these is they're kind of like the perfect footprint. They're really narrow, they'll sit in against there, and they actually stack. So they are deceivingly big. They open up like this, which means they keep that really low profile design. If you take something like this, which is a fairly big tub, that falls in there nicely. Bit of 2-stroke oil, that goes in there nicely. And then when you're done, it folds away. Now if I get rid of the actual cellophane, which is not part of the design, obviously, and the instructions, I don't know if anyone uses the instructions, push that back in, they can be secured and screwed to the wall. What I really like is they can just keep stacking and stacking and stacking. So the reason why I bought an obscene amount of these is I'm going to go as high as I can. Unfortunately, I don't get exactly the right height to go to the ceiling. I'll be one off, but essentially I'll have multiple organized storage to fill with lots of stuff that normally would be all over the place, including straps, previously featured in the video, and probably one full of 2-stroke oil. So let's get it fitted, and you guys can see the transformation of me having rubbish everywhere to having nice, organized unitary. So I hope you agree, they're a nice, clean, minimalistic way of not taking too much space away from the garage. Now ultimately, guys, the end goal for the garage is to get some nice fancy metal unitary. But the thing is with that unitary, it's 500 to 600 deep, so immediately you're sacrificing quite a lot of space where you could be getting a square nose stand-up or another B1. So at the moment, I'm just looking for that practical, low-cost way to be able to organize all my stuff. In an ideal world, it would have been the exact same depth as these columns, but wishful thinking. They look pretty sleek and minimalistic, I think, so I'm overall really happy. I just need to screw every single one of them in now, which is a bit of a boring job, so I won't make you watch that. But guys, that was a quick, snappy hack as to how you can create really good storage, pretty low cost, and not take up too much space in your garage.